Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. This is a fantastic feature when you want to create similar pages without rebuilding everything from scratch, saving you tons of time and effort. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the website where you want to duplicate a page. Simply click on that specific website to open it. This step is important because it directs you to the back end of that particular site, allowing you to access all its pages and settings. After clicking your website, you'll see a left side menu with various options. Locate and click on Website, and directly under it, you'll find an option labeled Pages. Click on Pages to proceed. This section is where all your site's pages are organized and managed, giving you full control over your content structure. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll see a complete list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific page you want to duplicate. It could be a home page, a blog post, a product page, or any other type of page you've created. When you've found the page, look to the right side of that page's name. You'll notice a small gear icon sitting there. Click on this gear icon to open up the page settings. This is where all the customization and management options for that particular page are housed. Now the page settings panel will appear on your screen. This panel contains various options that let you control how your page behaves and appears. You'll want to scroll down through these settings until you find the option that says Duplicate Page. This might take a moment, but it's tucked in there among other page management features. Once you spot the Duplicate Page option, go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the duplication. This is just a safety measure to prevent accidental duplications. Simply click Confirm to move forward. And there you have it. Your page has been successfully duplicated, and now you'll see a copy appear in your pages list. You can rename this duplicate copy to anything you want. Just click on the page name, type in your new title, and press Enter to save it. This way, you can keep your pages organized and clearly labeled. That's all there is to it. You've now duplicated a page in Squarespace, making it easy to create consistent layouts across your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.